Everybody knows to make money is not easy, but then again, if you're looking for a lazy way to make money online, I think you've just found the right and the perfect one, because trust me on this one, this particular app is a very, very lazy way to make money online. And I'm going to explain to you why I say this is a lazy way to make money online. This is because you don't have to do anything. You don't even need to have any form of digital skills. In fact, not even digital skills. You don't need to have any skills at all. And this particular app will even pay you for entertaining yourself and enjoying yourself on social media with your smartphone device. Now, let me explain what I mean to you. But before I go there, let me briefly introduce myself for the sake of those seeing me for the very first time. My name is Mandy Rachel, and on this channel, I share tips with you that you can actually use to leverage on your smartphone device to make money online. So if you're seeing me for the very first time, you're welcome. I want you to tap on that subscribe button right now. Subscribe to my channel. Tap on the bell icon right beside it. Turn on post notifications for all of my videos so that when I drop new videos, you are going to be the first to know. Also, let me know in the comment section if there is anything at all that you would want me to teach you that you've been searching for. Drop it in the comment section. Because of you, I just might teach it, okay? But then again, let us now move into the business of the day. Like I said, to make money is not easy. Let's not sugarcoat it for ourselves. But then again, this one right here is a lazy way to make money online. And it is also easy. That is even the interesting part of it. Because like I told you, you are literally going to be entertaining yourself, enjoying yourself while making money alongside. Yes, you heard me right. You're going to be scrolling through your smartphone device the same way you have been scrolling through your smartphone device, watching TikTok videos, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and all of these platforms are not even paying you for watching content on their platform. Take for instance, for you to earn on YouTube, you have to be a creator on YouTube, right? You have to be creating content, not watching content, not consuming content. But this particular app will pay you for watching content. Now that is the beauty of this app I am about to introduce to you, which is called the Cheelee app. Now if you are not new to my channel, you already know what Cheelee is. You already know Cheelee app. You're probably already even earning from it. But if you are new to my channel, then you most likely don't know what Cheelee is and you're just hearing about it for the very first time. In this video, I will explain everything about Cheelee to you and how you can make money on Cheelee as well with your smartphone device. Now, let us not waste time in this video and let us just jump right into it. Like I said, Cheelee is just like a social media platform and you can easily go to your Play Store to download it, okay? Because I've had issues with people using iPhone saying they can't find it on their app store, and honestly speaking, I do not use an iPhone, so I have not even been able to check and test whether it works on an iPhone or not. So from everything everyone has been saying, like majority of people telling me, I've been saying, including people in the community coming to me to let me know that, oh Mandy, I can't find Cheelee on my app store, so there's a high chance that Cheelee is not on the iPhone, or maybe it is selective of iPhones, maybe it is only on the higher iPhones upward, you understand? So maybe if you are using all these lower iPhones, maybe you're not going to have it. Maybe from iPhone 12, you know, upward, maybe you can have it. You can just go and check your app store and see if you have Cheelee there. If you have it, congratulations to you, because you're about to make money in a lazy way. However, if you use an Android phone, clap for yourself. See, this is why I love Android. Android is like the easiest phone to use on the internet, and especially if you're a young person looking to leverage on your smartphone to make money online. I think before you buy an iPhone, you should first of all buy an Android phone, except maybe you want to go into content creation. But if you know that basically what you want to be using your phone to do is to be making money online, please, if you cannot afford an iPhone yet, go and buy an Android. And you can even use your Android to do video as well, even if you think you want to do content creation and you still want to use that phone to make money online. But then again, I've digressed too much. Let us focus on the purpose of this video, which is the Cheelee application, like I was explaining to you earlier. Now, for you to make money on Cheelee is very, very easy, okay? Very, very easy. Remember I told you it's a lazy way to make money online. You just need to go to your app store if you have it on your own app store or your Play Store to go and download it. Now you can also use my referral link to download it and get a $3 sign up bonus. Now see, let me explain something to you. Using my referral link to download the Cheelee app is not compulsory. You don't have to use it. Do you understand? But if you want to use it, you can go ahead and do that. I will drop the link in the description of this video. That is my Cheelee referral link. I'll drop it in the description of this video. When you use that link to sign up, once you click on it, it will take you to your Play Store or to your App Store, and then you download the application. You get a $3 sign up bonus when you use that link to download it, and you can then start earning on the Cheelee platform. Okay, like I said, if you use the link, you get a $3 sign up bonus. If you don't want to use the link, there's no problem. Just go ahead to your Play Store or your App Store and go and download this. Now when you download this Cheelee application on your phone, the next thing you're going to see is you're going to get a free glass. Okay, the thing is that to earn on Cheelee, you need something called Cheelee glasses. Okay, now this Cheelee glasses is when it is activated, it gives you money. Take for instance, on your phone, once you've downloaded the Cheelee app on your phone, Cheelee will give you a free glass. Now that free glass that Cheelee is going to give to you will make you $10. This $10 you will make it in 3 days, and it is guaranteed. I even have a tutorial on it on my channel right here. Maybe I'll link that tutorial as well in the description, so you can go and watch that full tutorial where I did screen recording basically and showing you everything, how I did my own and how you're going to do your own, so that you don't make any mistake. Okay, so this free glass, like I said, is going to earn you $10. Now this $10 that you're going to earn, you can withdraw it. Okay, you can withdraw it. However, there's a but, and this is where some people have issues with Cheelee, because for you to be able to withdraw it, you need to first of all buy a glass. Okay, now this is where a lot of people also make mistakes when it comes to Cheelee, because there are a lot of glasses on Cheelee. If you go to the Cheelee marketplace, okay, when you tap on the marketplace, you're going to see a lot of glasses ranging from, I think there's even a $1 glass, $3, $6, $10, or as high as $500, $300 glasses. As a complete beginner, you've made your first $10 and you want to withdraw. My advice and my recommendation to you is, even if you want to buy a cheap glass to start with the $6 glass. You know why? Because the $6 glass, the commission on it is quite reasonable compared to the others. Because if you buy the cheaper glass, the commission on it is too much. It's too much, and you might not even be able to withdraw for the first time. So buy at least the $6 glass, which is the Element glass. And the good thing here is that for you, if you buy this Element glass, which is the $6 glass, you don't even need to buy glasses again, and you will keep withdrawing for as long as you want and as many times as you want. So the moment you buy this $6 glass, you'll be able to withdraw the first $10 that you've earned, and that glass will also still make you money. Remember, I told you, for you to earn on Cheelee, you need to have Cheelee glasses. Now when you buy this glass, you will still be, you would have withdraw your $10 and you will still be able to make more money. And for you to now withdraw the other amount of money you're going to be making on the platform, you don't even need to buy glasses anymore. Now this is the advantage of buying that glass. So when you want to buy the glasses, please don't buy the $1 glass, don't buy the $3 glass, buy the $6 glass, because at the end of the day, you would realize that when you buy those $1 and $3 glasses, you will still end up coming back to buy the $6 glasses. So at the end of the day, you've spent more money. Okay, so buy the $6 glass so that you'll be able to withdraw your money, and then you can keep withdrawing for as many times as you want and for as long as you want. And then the good thing here again is this: see, for you to earn on Cheelee, you can easily refer your friends. Do you understand? Once you sign up on Cheelee, for instance, remember I told you guys, you can go to the link in the description of this video and use my own referral link to sign up on Cheelee. That is, once you click on my referral link, it will take you to Cheelee, and then you can download the app either in your App Store or in your Play Store, and then you're going to get a $3 sign up bonus, as well as the free glass that will earn you the $10 in 3 days. Do you know that when you sign up like that as well, you're also going to get your own unique referral link? Now you can copy this, your referral link, refer your friends, and then Cheelee will pay you as well for referring your friends, and you can withdraw your money as well. Can you see that this is easy? Can you see how easy this is? When I said it's a lazy way to make money. Now, you don't need to have any skill. You don't need to do anything. All you have to do, the same way you watch TikTok, because I'm very sure you have TikTok on your phone and you watch TikTok maybe every day. If you don't have TikTok on your phone, you have Instagram Reels. If you don't have Instagram Reels, you have Facebook Reels. If you don't have Facebook Reels, you have YouTube Shorts. One way or the other, you are watching videos on your phone and nobody is paying you for watching that video. And why are you watching that video? You're watching it to entertain yourself. Even if you don't have all of those things, maybe I don't have Instagram Reels, I don't have Facebook Reels, you watch WhatsApp status. You're watching funny videos, you're watching, you're laughing, you're smiling, ha 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 ha. You know, you're watching all of those things. It's making you happy, it's giving you joy. Because let me tell you something, a lot of us in Nigeria, especially, a lot of us are coming to social media and we're using social media to just ease ourselves of the stress. Maybe you've had a very long day and you're so tired. You can just come to TikTok, Instagram, your WhatsApp status and just be watching funny videos and just be laughing. Is anybody paying you for doing that? Nobody is paying you. Will you not still use your data to watch all those things? Yes, you will still use your data to watch all those things and nobody will even tell you thank you. Do you understand what I'm saying? Nobody will even tell you thank you, even though me, I'm telling you thank you right now for staying here to watch my video and learn about how you can make money in a lazy way. Do you understand? But Cheelee will not just reward you like that. They will pay you as well. Now, this is where it gets interesting. This is where it gets interesting. If you are on Cheelee and you post videos on Cheelee, do you know that people can actually give you money on Cheelee? Just like the way they give people gifts on TikTok, they give people gifts on Facebook, Instagram. People can give you gifts on Cheelee. Like me now, for instance, on my Cheelee, I have over 30,000 followers on Cheelee, and my videos, I get gifts. Now, on Cheelee, they call their own gifts donations. Do you understand? So for you to get those donations, you have to be posting videos. And trust me, it's not a serious video. Cheelee is not a serious platform. Cheelee is a lazy and chill platform. It could be that same video that you've posted on your TikTok. Go and post it on Cheelee. It could be that same video you've posted on your Instagram or Facebook Reels. Go and post it on Cheelee. And the thing is that you never can tell. You never can tell. I've had videos on my Cheelee that has had 50,000 views, 30,000 views, 20,000 views, 10,000 views, and people gifting me, and just me doing my thing. The same video I put on my TikTok, I put it on Cheelee, and it gets a lot of views, and people can even donate money if they find my video interesting. Why do people give people gifts on TikTok? Is it not because you watch the person's content, you love it, like, wow, this person, something must have prompted you, and then you send the person a rose, you send the person lion, you send the person any gifts at all you want to send to the person. Same way it works on Cheelee. If you see somebody's video that moved you, that touched you, that you love, you will give the person something. Same way on Cheelee, people can see my video, people can see your video, and if they love it, they vibe with it, they felt like, oh, it inspired them, it entertained them, and they felt moved to give you a gift, they can give you a gift. It is super easy to do it. Okay, so that is another way you can also earn on Cheelee. Now, for Cheelee, for you to get donations from people, or for you to earn by watching videos, you don't even need to have followers. That's like the interesting. I told you people that is an easy thing. You don't see. Let me tell you people something. From when I had 0 followers on Cheelee, I was posting videos and I was able to. My videos was open to donations. That is gift, because on Cheelee they call their own gifting donations. Do you understand? My videos was open to donations. Unlike other platforms, they will tell you you need to have 1,000 followers first, you need to have 10,000 followers first, you need to have so, you need to maintain this. There's no rules like that. It's not strict. It's very, very easy. It's very, very soft. It's just soft life. Do you understand? It's just soft life. So basically, this is how Cheelee works. And for you to buy glasses, you go to the marketplace, you buy glasses, and when it is now time for you to withdraw your money, remember you're going to be earning in dollars. The amount will be written for you on your Cheelee app in dollars, but when you want to withdraw, it will be converted to your local currency. Take for instance, now in Nigeria, it will be converted to your local currency, and then you can easily withdraw to your GTB, Zenith Bank, UBA, Access Bank, any bank of your choice. You can easily withdraw your money to those banks. Now, I have a tutorial as well on my channel showing you how to buy glasses, how to withdraw your money, basically everything you need to know about Cheelee. In fact, I have another video showing you how to take caution so that your account doesn't get banned. Because just like every other social media platform that, you know, bans account, TikTok bans account, Facebook bans account, Instagram bans account if you violate their rules and regulation, Cheelee also has that, because it is also a social media platform. It's just that they are not as big, or they are not as popular as those ones yet. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I also have a video on my channel where I explain to you how to beware, how to take caution so that your account is safe. Now I'm going to be linking all of this video in the description of this video, and you can go and watch it. And remember, if you have any question at all regarding Cheelee, let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer as many questions as I get. Finally, if you watched up until this point and you've not yet given this video a thumbs up, it's very, very wrong. I don't understand. Is it that you did not get value from this video? Is it that you did not enjoy this video? Is it that this video did not enlighten you? Because I'm very, very sure you have gained a lot of value from this video. You have been enlightened by this video. So why don't you just like this video? Give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm show it to more people like you looking for information like this, so that, you know, the gospel can spread. Because what is the point? Only me cannot make this money. Only you too cannot make this money. So why don't you share this video as well? After liking this video, tap on that share button, share it to your friends, share it to your loved ones, share it to your classmates, share it to your colleagues. Let them also come and watch and be enlightened and gain value. You understand what I'm saying? As well, if you want to tell me thank you in the comment section, go ahead and do that. I would really appreciate it. It will encourage me, because I will know that, okay, you people appreciate what I'm doing for you. If you have questions, drop it in the comment section. Like I said, I will do my best to answer as many questions as I get. Finally, it's like you forgot to hit the subscribe button earlier when I told you. Tap on that subscribe button right now. Subscribe to my channel. Tap on the bell icon right beside it. Turn on post notifications for all of my videos, so that when I drop new videos like this, YouTube will personally notify you and let you know that, see, a new valuable video has dropped for you, so that you can come and watch and learn. Now, until next time when I come your way again, keep being amazing, and I assure you there are a lot of ways to make money online. Making money is not easy, but you see this one, this is the laziest form of making money I have ever experienced on this Obasanjo internet, honestly speaking. And aside from that, there's also another way for you to earn in the comfort of your home in pounds, taking online surveys remotely. I have a tutorial on that as well. I'm going to link it in the description of this video. However, if you have questions in that department as well, you can drop it in the comment section, and maybe I'll come back again and explain further in depth about this one. But this one, I have to warn you, it is not such a lazy way of making money online, because it requires some work. But trust me, it is also a lazy way and an easy way, because you don't even need to have any form of digital skills or anything to be able to do this. Anyways, I think I've been talking too much. Let me wrap it up here. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.